نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My fellows, my elders, my teachers, my scholars and all the listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is an immense pleasure of mine to have all of you here. The ayah that I have recited to you said that if Quran had been set on something as hard as mountain, and even if mountain were given the same understanding and consciousness as human being, it will not just only go down to the greatness of Quran, but instead it will be crumbled to pieces. But man has lost his mindfulness due to his desires and selfishness. He is not fully influenced by the Quran. There is a hypothetical example saying that some mountains have awareness, and some scholars said that the extinction of consciousness of trees, mountains, and all living things of the world are proved by the intellect, which indicate that this is not hypothetical at all. May Allah bless us to understand Quran. Amen.